Hello, my name is Jesse. I'm here to demonstrate my socket project for Group 6. This is the first milestone. So I'm first going to compile the program in each host. This is going to be the tracker host. So as you can see here, this is going to be the IP address that every other client has to connect to. So I'm going to go ahead and compile the files. Make sure this... Okay. Now I'm going to compile the client. Has a different IP address. Okay. I'll compile this one. And I'll compile this one. Now I'm going to start the tracker server. It's listening to port 34,000. Now I'm going to start the Java client. Now for this one. And finally for this one. So now every client should be able to communicate with the tracker. So I'm going to go ahead and register each one of them. So register player 1 to IP address of the host, which is the following. And the port it's listening to is that one, and then I have to give it a different port. And it's a success. And then now I'm going to register this one. Register player 2, the same IP address. Different port. No, actually, the port's the same, but a different port it's going to be using. Invalid command. Oh, I spelled register incorrectly. Okay then. Player 2. 3402. Success. Now for the third host, do the same thing. Register this one. Same IP address. 9. Oh, I have to give it a name first. Player 3. Then the IP address. The port it's listening to, and now its own port, which I believe should be 3. Success. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the first one, and I'm going to go for player 1 and query the players. As you can see here, the tracker returned a list of all the players. So for player 1, you can see the destination IP, which is the tracker IP address, is right here, and this is node 2's IP address, and it shows the port and its state meaning free, which means it's not playing the game right now, and it shows a size 3. That's how many players are registered, and it also shows every other player's information, so different IP addresses and different ports. Now I'm going to have to switch to another player, to player 2. I'm going to query games. In this case, there's no games because I haven't implemented the games part of the project yet. Now the last thing I have to do is just deregister every player in here. So I'm going to deregister player 1, deregister player 1, and there, it terminated the program and it removed the player. Now I have to deregister this one, player 2, success. I'm going to go ahead and query the game, the amount of players there are again to show you that, yep, this is the last player. So just to make sure that all the players are deregistered. Now I'm going to go ahead and deregister this host. And there, it's been successfully terminated. and this is the tracker. So that's pretty much it for the milestone.